Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shirva Masagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a monthly gabay for the month of September 2023 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Ano kayang kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click your subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. So guys, umpisa na natin ang totoong laban for the month of September 2023 for the sign of Aquarius. Angel Spirit, please give information. Ano kayang messages sa iyo ng Angel Spirit ang ating masasaga for today's video? There is an 8 of Cups. Oh, letting go. What is moving on? So, ang kailangan mo raw mag-move on or kailangan mo na makaalis sa situation. Rather, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. So, what is additional messages? There's a Devil card. Oh. Let's see. The Devil can represent a negative energy or black magic involved, or toxic behavior or toxicities or temptation. Let's see. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo makawala sa mga negativity. Kailangan mo makawala sa mga black magic involved. Kailangan mo makawala sa mga obsessions. Kailangan mo makawala sa kung ano man ang black magic involved. And of course, there's a 10 of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment that brings you into celebration. Wow, pasabog. May long-term relationship daw dito, ha? And of course, there's a 5 of Cups. Oh, there's a losses or there's a disappointment. Oh, disappointment. Everything is fine and the 9 of Pentacles. Kumbaga, kahit napagod ka na, parang nilalaban mo yung sarili mo para lang kumita at para lang maging masagana ang buhay mo. Kumbaga, ito yung sinasabi dito na kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga. Ganun siya, ha? Parang over fatigue pero nilalaban kasi gustong makaipon at gustong makabangon. So, what is the 8 of Cups? There's an 8 of Wands. There's a messages. There's a movement. Oh, there's a travel daw. So, ibig sabihin, makakaalis ka na sa situation mo, makakapag-ibang bansa ka, makakapag-travel ka. Okay. There's a messages or email na matatanggap ka. What is the Devil energy? Okay, there's a 2 of Cups. Oh, there's an obsession. There's a partnership. There's a black magic involved. Let's see. What is the 10 of Pentacles? Okay, there's a 3 of Wands. Waiting for a result or waiting for a ship. No? Kumbaga, there's a progress na. Wow. What is the 4 of Wands? There is a 2 of Wands. There's a decision, there's a two-path, no? May kailangan ka ng pagdesisyonan dito. There's a celebration. O mayroon kang dalawang aatenan na celebration. There's an high priestess. There's an unexpected moment. There's a hidden agenda or hidden tendencies. What is the 9 of Pentacles and that everything is fine? There's a Page of Pentacles, manifestation. No, there's a new fresh ideas. Magdadala sa'yo dito ng kumbaga pagbabago, no? Kumbaga, unexpected turning event. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na na-disappoint ka man sa mga nangyari sa paligid mo, na kumbaga, marami mang trader sa paligid mo, marami mang tao na naiinggit sa'yo, pero don't you worry, there's a manifestation. Kung kahit na pilitin ka man nila pabagsakin, okay ka lang kasi mas lalong nagyayabong o mas lalo kang nag-grow, no? Kumbaga, pilit ka nilang binababa, pero pilit kang umaangat, no? Ganon. What is the 8 of Cups and the 8 of Wands? Okay, there's a Queen of Wands. Confident. Oh, there is a confidence. There's a stability. Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng stability dito and there's a messages sa'yo sinasabi na, makakaalis ka na. No? Makakapag-travel ka na. What is the devil and the two of cups? There's a judgment. Oh, wake up call. There's an awakening. May partnership. Mag-ingat ha. Kasi mayroong masamang balak sa itong tao na to. Or mag-ingat ka kasi mayroong there's an devil energy na may gumagawa sa iyo ng hindi maganda at kaharap mo siya. Lagi mo nakakausap. The judgment's a wake-up call. Mag-ingat sa pakikipag-partnership. Okay. What is the Ten of Pentacles and the Three of Wands? There's a Seven of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities. Multitasking, multi-events. Maraming kaganapan, sinasabi sa'yo dito, na waiting for a result. Kung mag-antay ka, there's a long-term success and long-term investment dito. Maraming oportunidad na papasok sa'yo. What is the Four of Wands and the Two of Wands? There is a Two of Swords. There's a decision nga. Kailangan mo mag-decision ngayon na. No, kung ikakasal ka o hindi. Ganon. Kung ilalaban, okay, kailangan mo rin magdesisyon na hindi daw puro gastos. Kasi marami kang pag-iipunan, marami kang paglalaanan. What is the Five of Cups and the High Priestess? What is the Five of Cups and the High Priestess? Angel Spirit. Okay, there's a Two of Pentacles. 222. There's a 222 ha, Angel's number. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, Tina, there's a balance. Maging balance ka. No? Kailangan control mo yung emotions mo. What is the Nine of Pentacles? Definitely fine. And of course, the Page of Pentacles. There's a Emperor. Be mature enough. Kailangan maging mature ka. No? Kumbaga, dapat hindi ka nagpapa-apekto sa mga tao sa paligid mo. What is the total outcome? Outcome is the Magician, manifestation, manipulator. And there's, may tao daw talagang gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. See? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na there's a black magic involved. Kumbaga hindi ka, nag-overthink ka. No? Hindi ka makatulog sa gabi. You're feeling stuck. Sinasabi na Six of Swords, kailangan mo makawala sa isang situation or kailangan mo makawala dyan sa negative energy na yan. Let's see what is additional outcome. There's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. Star card. Etong tao, siguro itong tao na to nagkaroon kayo ng nagkaroon kayo ng separation. Kumbaga sinasabi sa inyo dito na hindi pa makabalik yung person mo kasi may taong gumagawa sa kanya, binablock siya, nagkakaroon ng back and forth pero hindi siya makapunta-punta sa iyo. Hinaharang yung pagpunta niya. And the Star card with the King of Cups. Kumbaga there's a devoted and supportive person. Mahal ka nitong tao na to. Kumbaga, ikaw ang hinihiling niya sa mga tala. No? What is the Love Oracle card? What is the Love Oracle card? Angel Spirit. What is the Love Oracle card? What is the... girl talk, no? Pinag-uusapan ka dito ng mga mercy. And of course, there's a heart with a key. Ikaw ang susi at ikaw ang perfect match niya. And of course, the butterfly. There is an inner child or growth. Magkakaroon ka rin relationship evolving to the next phase. No? May pagbabago magaganap pagdating sa relasyon. Pagdating sa love life. Hindi lang to basta-basta. Huhubugin at palalaguin kayong dalawa with a long-term investment and long-term relationship. What is the chakra? Okay, there's a recovery. Makaka-recover ka na raw about sa finances. Makaka-recover ka na raw about sa love life. Makaka-recover ka na raw kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo. Perfection. No, kailangan laging kompleto, laging kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo maisaayos lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. What is additional chakra daw? Yun nga. And there's a joy. Magiging masaya ka dito. Magiging maligalig ka. Char. Magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka talaga. Mapapatumbling ka dito. With the Archangel Michael, the personal you're asking is about trustworthy. Mapagkakatiwalaan daw yung kinakausap mo. Yung pag pinagkakatiwalaan mo. And of course, sinasabi dito, use your imagination and you see the answer. So, some of you, nagkakaroon ka na ng intuition. May taong pumapasok sa isip mo, which is yun yung taong gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. Yung sinusulusulan ka, yun pala, may balak pala na paghiwalay kayo ng person mo. Yun pala, may gusto pala siya sa'yo, may gusto pala siya sa'yo or sa person mo. And there's a bathroom. Kailangan nyo ng cleansing, ha? I told you, there's a full of negativity dito. Okay, there's a, go for it. Ilaban mo daw, ha? And of course, the third eye, clairvoyance, sabi ko na eh. May spiritual activation dito or spiritual abilities, ha? May clairvoyance for third eye. Meron kang kakayanan masilip o makita yung mga bagay sa paligid mo. What is the energy? What is additional energy? Okay, woman holding a coin. Ibig sabihin ikaw may hawak ng finances. There's a victory. Magkakaroon ka na ng victory and success. Tagumpay ang laban. And there's a storm warning. May susubuking buwagin o susubuking kang bayuhin ng bagyo. May bagyong parating o may taong susubuking kang sirain. Ito yung sinasabi, ha. This is awareness, no? Awareness to. Kailangan mong maging maingat. Kaya pala may wake up call or judgment for sinasabi na ito yung sinasabi na wake up call or awakening moment, no? Kailangan mo nang mag-pay attention sa mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo. There is a 31, I am disciplined. Your approach to your life is an effective mix of both practicality and imagination. Your mind is steering with creative ideas and you have the organization skills to manifest them to life. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na kaya mo maisakatuparan in tawag dito, yung visualize or something na parang tawag dito yung iniisip mo, no? Maisa sa katuparan mo siya. Desires into reality. So, what is talking about ditong awareness? Ito ang pinaka-additional ko for you. Ano yung pinaka-iniingatan dito or sinasabi maging aware? Tungkol saan ba tong storm warning? It's about relationship or it's about love life or it's about career or about finances or life? Let's see. Gusto kong i-clear out to. In all aspects. Mag-ingat in all aspects. Okay, in all kind. There is an ex or there's a friend, no? Kumbaga, there's an ex and a friend, no? Kumbaga, may taong gumagawa talaga. Kumbaga, itong tao na to, it's either friend or relatives or yung ex mo or ex ng person mo. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging maingat ka, ha? Kumbaga, in all aspect, no? Kumbaga, ginagawang ka by finances, career, love life, and of course, sa finances, health. Kumbaga, lahat, in all kinds. So, in additional messages. So, what is additional messages? Okay, abundance. Kumbaga may abundance daw na nakalaan sa'yo. And of course, there's a change. May pagbabago, no? And of course, there's a fear. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. And there's a freedom. Makakalaya ka sa bangungot ng kahapon. O makakalaya ka sa mga taong peke. Okay, what is additional messages? Okay, there's an infinite abundance. Talaga kinaklarify dito na magiging maganda ang buhay mo in the near future. Victory, infinite abundance and abundance. Pasabog ka with a long-term success and long-term investment. Pagdating sa finances, baka susubukin kang traidorin o susubukin kang sirain dito. Pero mananatili ka pa rin matatag. And of course, mag-ingat lang ka din about sa love life. Baka agawin yung person mo o baka naman yung person mo may gusto talaga sa kanya. Or may gusto sa person mo. And come to me, all you have the labor and heavy laden, and I will give you the rest. No, kailangan mong bitawan yung bigat ng nararamdaman mo. Yung nararamdaman mo na, kumbaga, hirap kang makabangon, hirap kang makaahon. No, bitawan mo yan. I-surrender mo kay God yan. What is the messages of life? The path of the light. So, what is the path of the light? Life placed the perfect people and situation on my path to help me and advance of the journey of inner growth. I possess the courage I need to progress and despite of my obstacle, might meet I study, my experiences seeking the wisdom they have to offer. In this way, I choose to grow in my faith and I am confident that at the end of the road, I will join the light. So, ibig sabihin dito, na alam mo sa bandang huli, ikaw ang mananalo at magwawagi. Panalo ka naman talaga in all aspect. Pero kailangan mo maging aware. No, syempre, haantayin mo bang dumating sa punto na sirain ka? Syempre, hindi. Kailangan mong proteksyonan yung sarili mo laban sa kanila. So, this is a monthly gabay for the month of for the month of September 2023 for the sign of Aquarius. Maraming salamat guys. This reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.